What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And I had so many people request this video from me, so I thought I would make it. This is basically the ultimate discount code for AirUp. If you don't know, AirUp is a water bottle that basically makes you think that there's a taste to your water. They're pretty expensive. However, I've managed to find a discount code that's going to get you a completely free bottle, and I think you get some pods with it as well. Pods are basically the scent that you put in the top of the bottle. This method is pretty easy. Here we go. As you can see, bottles start from 30 Great British pounds. Now you can use this code worldwide, so no matter where you are in the world, you can apply this code and it's going to work. So anyway, let me show you guys where you can get your code. Basically, let me just tell you how it works. You basically add the bottle and pods to the basket, apply this code, and it's going to completely remove the value, including the delivery, so it's completely free. Anyway, so you have to open up the internet, guys, and go to www.giftcardhero.net. Now when you reach the website, there's this menu button. You have to press that and then go to the search bar and just type AirUp and then search that. We need to basically find this AirUp promo codes page. You can see this has already been used thousands of times and it's rated 5 stars, so it's continued to work. This was a 2022 method, however it's still working in 2023. And here we go, you can see free bottle and pods of your choice. So like I say, you just add any bottle and pods to the basket, apply this code, and it's going to completely remove the balance. Exclusive code, 1 times free bottle and pods, new and existing customers. So we have to get the code, guys. Now let's press this green button. Now this is a human verification. You've probably seen this before. If not, I'll talk you through what it is. This essentially protects the codes because, as you can imagine, these codes are actually worth a fair bit of money. A bottle's about £30, so if people create robots to steal all of these codes, I'm sure they can make some money from it. So this protects the codes and makes sure it goes to people like you who actually use it for a bottle. So we need to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below. Now you're going to get a list of tasks, and they're quick to complete and they're completely free. It takes a few minutes. You can see there's a description below each task of what you need to do. Now you need to just choose 2 of them that you think are the easiest. I'm going to go ahead and complete a couple of surveys because I find them easy. You just have to input your email address and a couple of other things and just follow the steps. So give me 2 minutes, I'll do 2 of these and I'll return. Welcome back. So that was probably a split second for you. However, that took me a few minutes because I just had to complete 2 of these. Now it says complete 2 of the free offers. However, sometimes there's a glitch, so complete 2, and then if it hasn't worked, do a 3rd, but it should work after 2. So when you return to this page, after completing the offers, scroll down, and there we go. That is my personal code to get a free bottle and pods. I'm not going to use this one, so one person can go ahead and grab this if you're quick enough. I'm assuming 99.9% of the viewers will be too late to use this specific code. So you need to go and get your own at giftcardhero.net. Follow the steps. Once you get your code, you just simply add a bottle to the basket, enter the code at checkout, and it's going to remove the balance and it's completely free. So yeah, it's as easy as that, guys. This is by far the best promo code for AirUp that I've managed to discover. Please let me know below if you find one better, but I very much doubt it. Please press the like button and I'll see you next time.